when I was at, and I think I showed you this probably in one of my other videos, when I was at Dollar Tree from the Crafter's Square, I got these jewel stickers. And they have quite a selection there. Let's open these up. I am going to do this again. I find it a little distracting. I know they match now. I'm all fine with that. So, the neck. Going to give her a necklace. Now, I want my necklace to fall within those black lines. And so I have some tracing paper. You can get tracing paper at Dollar Tree. Or if you have copy paper that you can see through, that would work too. All right. I am going to trace this. Let's see. Annie. So I think I'll cut this down the middle. Any kind of bling will look wonderful on her neck. If your funky lady has different colors, choose what is good for your funky lady. How am I gonna do this? Well, the first thing I need to do is cut this. So this is a learning thing, right? So, I don't know what it does there. Alright, so I made a mark. It showed up on the plastic. And I'm just going to make a curve. Where are you, lady? Yeah. Good enough, right? No, it's not good enough. I want it to be straight. And these little charmy, blingy things are not easy to cut through. Alright, that looks good. But it's got to be straight. Alright, so I'm going to center that one in the middle. And try this again. I don't know. Can you come up with an easier way to do this? Be nice if I was in the camera, right? All right, I'm just gonna do this. All right, that looks good enough. No, it's not. No, it's not. I thought this was going to be a good idea. It looks like a good idea, doesn't it? Ooh, well, no. Sometimes, ooh, that looks pretty good. Sometimes things work out and sometimes they don't. All right, let's see. Nope, nope, nope. That's pretty good. That is pretty okay. So I am going to take I can go right over those. None a wiser. So I was able to go over that neckline and cover in black go in here and fix this up a bit. There had to be an easier way to do it, and I'll figure it out and do it next time. I think that's just fine. Just fine. So now they're really coordinated. I'm wondering if I should, here we go, picking again. I'm wondering if I should, this says Hello Autumn. What should this say? I don't know. Maybe you can tell me what my title should be on this. I always like to have a title, I think. Oh, upside down page. All right. I am going to call her Done. D-O-N-E. Let's see. Yes, I like her. I like her a lot. So there you go, funky lady. If you know what I should name her or put a title up there, I sure would like that. Well, thank you for joining me, and I hope you like my lady. Looking at the monitor, I know I can see right here her face shape is a little bit off, but are you perfect? I don't think so. Neither am I. No one is perfect. No, not one. Thank you for joining. Please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Leaving a comment is just so personal for me, and so kind of you to take the time to do that. All right, my friends, I think my next layout is finally going to be Christmas. I know Christmas has gone by, but that is what it is going to be. A while ago at Dollar Tree, I had bought this and this to do a Christmas layout, and I do have my Christmas pictures already printed out from a couple of years ago, so that is going to be fun. You take care. Bye-bye.